I took full advantage of the 2025 holiday sales. I have here the last portion of my Sephora sales event haul. If you're a Sephora shopper and you shopped the Sephora savings event, you know that after it ended, Sephora announced another 20% off sale for all beauty insiders. So I absolutely jumped on that same train as everyone else did. I had the second chance to order a few things that I wanted, and I was kind of debating before the original sales event had ended. Let's check out what I purchased last minute. The first gift set is the Armani Blush Luminous Silk Cheek Tint. And this one is in 62 and 5S, so Delicate Mauve and Cosmic Crush. So I'm so happy that I purchased this last minute. I believe that in my collection, I only have 2 little blushes from a long time ago that are Armani. So this is what these look like. I love the idea of a doe foot applicator. Let me swatch them really quick. The Cosmic Crush is more on the peachy side, and then we have Delicate Mauve. Just quick swatches. And that's what they look like. We're not going to be trying these on today. We're mainly going to be doing swatches and checking them out. I am going to be putting together some beauty shorts so that we could check them out together. Another gift set that I purchased is the Lash and Brow from Rare Beauty. And this is what they look like. This is the brow gel. This one is the mascara, which I have been dying to try. I'm so glad I purchased this one because I have been wondering about it. I didn't want to jump to the large or the full size. This is going to help me decide if I want to purchase the full size Rare Beauty mascara. So the next product is the Haus Labs by Lady Gaga. This is the bronzer and it's in Terra Sol Light Medium. I have one of these already, but it's darker. So I wanted to try out the light medium. The one I have is the medium. So I am excited about how this one is gonna play with my skin because it's a little bit lighter than the other one. The other one was way too dark, and it's for when I'm a little more tan and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Ooh. Oh, this one is the reformulated version. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot. Okay. What in the world? Okay. That just threw me off guard. This one is medium level 6, and it's the top one. I don't know if you could tell on camera, but it is lighter than the new one that I just purchased, which is supposed to be a light medium. So I don't know. I don't know how that's going to play out. So this is the new one. And my first impression is that the new one is darker and it's supposed to be lighter. So I don't know. I purchased the light medium one because the original one that I had was too dark. So I don't know. I'm totally confused right now. I'm going to have to try that out. Try that on another day. So the next 2 are new to me. I purchased 2 of the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Glow Blushes. This one is an In Love and this one is Amore. So 11 and 51. So let's check these out really quick. So this is what it looks like. In Love, it looks beautiful. I don't even want to touch it. Let's watch this one. This one seems to be more of an everyday blush. And that's what that one looks like. Beautiful. Then we have the Amore, which is number 51. This one is more on the pinky side. Very silky. Swatches very smoothly. This is what this one looks like. I am excited. Can't wait to try these on. So I ended up purchasing 2 more liquid blushes from Ciele. and these are the Ciele Blush and Protect. This one is in Elodie. I think it's Elodie. It's more on the peachy side. And June, which is like a berry shade. So let's check these out really quick. Let's swatch these. This is going to be a short video, but I definitely wanted to share this moment with you guys. I love opening new products. So there we go. June and Elodie. I think that's how you pronounce it. All right, let's swatch these. Elodie is more of like a peachy pink. Ooh. June looks like a latte. It almost looks like the Huda Beauty latte. I'm excited to add these to my collection of Ciele liquid blushes. I think I'm going to continue to pick up some more until I have the full collection. Next is an additional blush from Ciele, and this one is in Crush. So I originally wanted to get this, but I was like, no, I don't want to overdo it. But like I said, when they gave us that second chance for savings, I did not want to sleep on this one. So this is what it looks like. This packaging is so unique to me. There we go. Seems to be like on the peachy side. Yep. Let me swatch it here. These are silky smooth as well. Ooh, it has like a glow to it. Like a sheen. So the swatch is the bottom one. And that is Crush. This one and this one look like Elodie and Crush look like they go together. All right, so the last 2 products, I'm gonna call them the redemption products. I am talking about Hung Vanngo blush and bronzer. Now, I purchased the blush in Second Language and the bronzer in Straightforward. So if you watched my Hung Vanngo video, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about and why I'm calling them the redemption items. My experience with Hung Vanngo was not 100% positive. Unfortunately, I may have chosen shades that did not go with me, and I was tanner back then, so I don't know. A couple of my viewers suggested that I try the lighter bronzer, so you know what? I took advantage of that sale and I went for it. So I am going to be trying these out on their own separately, and hopefully they are going to work out for me. I really wanted to like Hung Vanngo's new beauty line, and unfortunately up until now I don't have a positive experience with Hung Vanngo. Even with the eyeshadow, I felt like, I don't know, it could have been user error. You know, like I said, it'll be a redemption. I don't know, a redemption video maybe? We'll see. I do want to swatch them for you guys though. So let's go ahead and swatch them really quick. I knew this video was going to be pretty short because my haul is really small. Today's more of an unbox with me. So this is the bronzer in Straightforward. So let me swatch it. So that's what that looks like, and it's definitely looking promising. So We'll see. The original blush that I purchased was also more on it was supposed to be like a peachy, tone or peachy shade. And it ended up looking more like tangerine. And that was my experience. I could be, like I said, maybe it was just me, but I'm trying here. I'm trying to give them a second chance. So this blush is in second language. And let's go ahead and swatch it. This is more of a peachy pink shade, which I think might work out for me a little bit better. These are the shades that I am going to use to give Hung Vanngo a second chance, a second try. So we'll see how that works out. And that's what I have for you guys as far as the last portion of my Sephora sales event haul. I have an interesting question for you guys. If you had another chance to purchase, a couple of items from Sephora at a 20% discount again, what products would they be? Or maybe there was a product that you didn't get to purchase because it was out of stock by the time you checked it out. Tell me in the comments. I would like to know what you would purchase if there was another Sephora sale going on. Well, that was a speedy beauty haul. I know I didn't have a lot of products to share with you, but I always love sharing new products, things that may not be new to the beauty world, but are new to me. So I hope you enjoy it as well. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future content. I hope you have a beautiful day and I will see you next time. Bye.